Need a professional CV but don't know how to make one? Don't worry. Here are 3 free websites that can help you create a professional CV in just a few minutes. First, we have Canva. Open Canva and search for resume or CV. You'll see a huge collection of ready-made templates. Choose the template you like and open it. Now simply replace the sample information with your own details, including your education, skills, experience, and contact information. You can also change the colors, fonts, and layout. Once you're done, download your CV and you're ready to go. Next, we have Novorésumé. Open the website and choose the type of CV you want to create. You'll find several professional templates. Select the one you like and start adding your personal information, education, experience, and skills. The website automatically keeps everything organized in a clean and professional layout, making it a great option if you want a simple-looking CV. And finally, we have Adobe Express. Open Adobe Express and search for CV or resume templates. You'll find plenty of professionally designed templates. Choose your favorite one, replace the existing text with your own information, customize the design if you want, and then export your finished CV. So these are 3 free websites you can use to create a professional CV without designing everything from scratch.